Well, ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube. We're talking Voyager Token in this video. So welcome back to the channel, everyone. Let's give a huge shout out to the VGX heroes. I will link this Twitter handle in the comments section below. You will see it pinned. If you're interested in learning about Voyager Token, the Voyager app, check out their Discord, their Instagram. All this is very easily accessible through this link. Back to Voyager Token. Now, folks, since about August 16th, I believe, August 19th, we had the token swap, and TradingView burned the charts previous to August 19th. So we are really working with limited data as far as this is concerned. So we will be looking at about a 4-hour chart because the daily charts, we're not seeing any Ichimoku cloud, anything like that. Within the last week, I've been saying how we might have this descending triangle forming. This $3.40 level was crucial. And then we had the Voyager app loyalty program launch, the new interface, all that jazz. And we can definitely see that this could have been a buy the rumor, sell the news event. Not surprising, but when we look at this, we can definitely see the possibility for Elliott wave theory to thrive leading up to this sell-off. And this is a very light sell-off, folks. I think that we are likely to see Voyager Token run down to about $3.60-ish. We're almost there anyways. And RSI is kind of moving downwards along with the stochastics. So with that said, we will likely see the stochastics kind of move further down along with the RSI. And this, folks, might stop around the 50 moving average, or we might get a bounce off this upper trend line of the descending triangle. Maybe around the $3.50-47 level. One thing I'm not liking about this, and keep in mind, this is a 4-hour chart. It's not crammed with data like we see on a one-day chart, is when I really like to look at cloud movement because we're packing single candles that are a day worth of information. Easy to figure out what direction things are going in. So there's two possibilities, in my opinion, that Voyager Token could be doing right now. Either we come back down for a retest of this $3.40, 45-cent level, $3.60 level. That's my bearish prediction. Or we already have Elliott wave theory moving in effect. So what we can look at here is, bear with me 1 second, folks. Oh my goodness, I am about to sneeze. I'm doing my best. So we can definitely see that this could have been a possibility. On top of that, we might be seeing the bigger picture do something like this. Now, I would hope that this is the case, but it depends on how far down we trade. If this thing comes down and bounces off the 50, this might be what exactly we are looking at. And let me propose another theory to you guys. See this inverse head and shoulders that could be forming? So this retrace down to the $3.62 level cent could be crucial. So don't get disappointed that we're seeing this retrace a little bit, because there could be some bigger benefits right around the corner. I do think that a $3.60, $3.40 price tag on VGX, folks, that's like buying a Lamborghini for $1,000. I do think that this coin definitely has more going for it as far as a business. When I think of VGX, I think of it as a stock almost, because it is traded as a stock. But furthermore, I do think that the way this coin works is, I think of it more as a stock. I do know that, eventually someday there will be some use cases, and obviously peer-to-peer things like that are available now, but we can't go to the store and pay with VGX quite yet. So that is my prediction on VGX, folks. And let's just check to see what kind of extension level, what price tags we might be able to expect out of this. So, obviously, the $5.39 level, this thing goes to the 200% level, $5.92. I'm curious to see that the 300% level is kind of right about where VGX topped off, somewhere in that $6.50 level to $7 region. So it would be interesting to see if we hit any of these numbers here, should the price climb higher. Typically, wave 1 cannot be longer than wave 2. So if we saw wave 2 pan out, that would likely bring us back up to around this 100% level, somewhere up into here. We might see a retracement. This is all very speculative, folks. So this is all pending Bitcoin and what it does, but we may see something like this occur. It wouldn't surprise me to see VGX trading at $5, $4.90 here in the next couple of weeks. Let's go ahead and throw down a little time sequence to see if we can uncover anything that is hidden. Okay, so go figure. We throw down a little time sequence for September 1st, and wouldn't you know, we had a sell-off. So with that said, that was dead ass accurate. Next time sequence, look for September 7th afternoon. We may see some sort of reversal happen, and this might be the great setup for a run here in the next week or two. But that's all I got for you guys, folks. That is my prediction, what I'm kind of seeing with Voyager Token. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Big shout out to all my Patreons. Thank you for joining the Patreon page. If you want your name, business name, YouTube channel name on this banner, whatever you want, it's $3 a month. Link in the description to get to the Patreon page. And we hope you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are at in the world.